Hi and welcome to a new text of episode on my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a receiver. It's an S-Bus receiver from KS Servos. This is a good solution to use it in all mini quads or micro quads in combination with your Fasst transmitter from Futaba. The Futaba transmitters are all pretty big. It's difficult to put the original Futaba receivers into a mini or micro drone. The option you have with your original Futaba receiver is to reduce the size to the minimum which is possible. My version of reducing size and weight you can see in the link below here, and with this receiver today is just the first look. The size, weight, what comes with the receiver itself. And yeah, let's start. So this is all you got with your receiver, the receiver itself. Then we have 4 cables, 2 with JR connector, then 2 different solutions. They look like this. And the manual which explains the receiver. Then we have fact sheet, then we have binding procedure, and failsafe settings and output mode setting. You can use it as fast receiver and also CPPM mode, and status LED indicator which explains what means what on the LED. Then let's have a look at the size. We have a length of 3.2 centimeters. Then a width of around 1.4 centimeters and a height of around 5 millimeters, including the S-Bus plug. Then let's have a look at the weight. The receiver itself is almost 3 grams, and if we gonna use a cable on top, then it's almost 3.5 grams, so also super lightweight and so great for every size of quads. Then let's have a closer look at the most important facts. As already told, it's S-Bus or CPPM compatible, and you can use it for 7-channel. In my opinion, what is pretty important is the range. And there is some confusion because the manual talks about 1000 meter plus, and if you go to the website of the manufacturer, it's 400 meter plus. So massive difference. In my opinion, this can't be a full range receiver because the modified Futaba receiver I use has a range of around 2000 meters. So I would use it for quads only and not for long range flights or things like this, but for racing or freestyle in closer area, for sure this receiver works great. Then let's have a closer look at the receiver itself. As already told, the small S-Bus connector. Then we have the bind button on the upper side, and on the lower side there are the 2 receiver antennas mounted. These are standard antennas like you have it on your Futaba or other 2.4 GHz receivers. That's already all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, give me a thumb up, comment, share, subscribe, and as always, happy flying. Bye bye.